अस्सलामुअलैकुम, कैसे हैं आप लोग। और आज हम सॉल्व कर रहे हैं ग्रेड 3 की उर्दू की वर्कशीट। चलिए शुरू करते हैं। Okay, so we are doing Urdu worksheet now.
Okay.
Here you have to write the split form. You know how to write split form?
Yes.
And here the joint form is given. Okay.
Yes.
So first read the first. What is the first word?
Abba.
Okay. So you have to split it. There are different alphabets used like alif, then be, and then alif. But here you can see the shadda here or tashdeed here. So what you will do? You will repeat that word where tashdeed is coming, right?
Yes.
So now write the split form. So what happened here? Here ba, this alphabet be is coming for two times. Ab, ba. So whenever you are writing split form, you should write the plus sign in between. Write the plus sign.
Okay. Patti.
Very good. Patti. Okay. Read the next word now.
This is bacche.
Bacche. Bacche. Okay. Write the split form. Yes. Badiye. Bacche. Very good. Now next. Read the word. What is next word?
This is rassi.
Okay. Write rassi in split form now. Ra, seen, very good. Plus choti e. Keep it in straight line, okay? Write it in straight line. Next.
Patta.
Very good. Yes, read that word.
This is kacha.
Very good. Kacha. Next. Again with cha. Tajdeed with cha.
Sacha.
Very good. So first word is seen, jama, cheem. Very nice. Very good. Yes. Next is
Jannat.
very good. Jannat. Write Jannat in split form. Noon. Very good. Jannat. Yes, next is
Abbu.
Abbu. Very good. Write Abbu. Next is Chunnu.
Chunnu.
Yes. Name of a boy. Chunnu. Okay, very nice. So can you read the words again for me from first?
Abba.
Yes.
Alif plus ba plus alif.
Yes.
Patti.
Yes.
Pa plus ta plus choti ye.
Yes.
Bacche. Be plus cheem plus badi ye.
Yes.
Rassi. Ra plus seen plus choti ye.
Very good.
Patta. P plus
Ta.
T
Yes.
plus T plus alif.
Patta.
Kaccha. Ka plus jim plus jim plus alif. Jannat. Jeen plus noon plus T.
Very good.
Abu. Alif plus B plus wow.
Yes.
Chunnu.
Yes.
Jim plus noon plus wow.
Okay. Now this is the second worksheet.
Okay.
And you have to read the question. Fill in the blanks with
The use of
lam and
mim.
meme. So wherever the blank is there, you have to write lam or meme there. Like read the first one. Be alif ba.
Ba.
So what will come there? Lam or meme?
La.
Bal. Te alif ta. Lam. Tal. Next. Jim alif ja. So if you write lam there, it will be jal. But if you write meme there, it will be jam. So both are correct. You can write anything. Jal or jam. Next. Ma alif. Tama. Tamam. Very good. Tamam means total, complete. Yes.
Ba.
Da.
La. Alif.
Meme. Badam. Very good.
Sin plus wow plus alif. Sawa.
Sawal. Very good. Very good. Next.
Cha plus alif.
Cha. Lam. Chal. Re alif ra.
Re alif ra.
Yes. So if you write M, it will be Ram. Right?
Yes.
Name of a person. Or you can write Ral. L. So that will be Ral. Next. Yes. Good. Dal alif. Da.
If we will write la, it will be dal, and if we will write ma, it will be dam.
Very good. So both will be correct. Next is, read that.
Na
Nun
plus
alif na.
alif.
Yes.
Na.
Yes. Nam.
Sham.
Very good.
Da plus alif. Da.
Yes. Alif
Mada
mada.
plus ra plus alif.
So you are prepared for your exam now? Final
Yes.
exams? Okay,
Yes.
best of luck.